Check this out, 69 El Camino. That is the original owner, bought it new in 69. Those American mags were put on in 69. That fellow there, John, at J&S Gear a few years ago, did a frame off restoration on it. It's got a ZZ6 small block V8 with 373 gears and a hopped up tranny. And John says the underneath is as clean as the top of it. Looks like a marina blue. So you can eat off the bottom of this car. And the fellow was saying it's kind of a little bit noisy. Gets up and goes too quick. Look at that California blue plate original. Frame off history restoration by John, J&S Gear. Right here. You need a gear in your rear, come see John. Who'll put up some high ends or low ends, whatever your fancy rear needs. John here at J&S Gear, right here on the famed Gothard Hot Rod Alley, Huntington Beach, California. Let's hear those 373 gears. Positive traction too. Look at that. 69 El Camino. Driving out into the sunset. Gonna hop on Gothard and boogie on. Dental Live, Dental Vision.